Do I need a commissary kitchen for my food truck in Alabama? Well, in this video from Food Truck Freaks, we're going to dive into this really quick question that we actually get on our other channels, Marketing Food Online. I had an Alabama startup, a food truck startup that actually was looking to figure that out. So Alabama actually may vary depending on the specific location and locale in local areas as far as the city and zoning is concerned. However, it's common in many places, including Alabama, for a food truck to actually operate and be required to use a commissary kitchen for certain aspects of their food preparation and storage. Now, to give you a really quick rundown, a commissary kitchen is typically a licensed commercial kitchen that allows the food truck operators to do the following 5 things. Number 1, prepare and store your food. Yes, so many health departments require that the majority of food preparation and storage for a food truck operation occur in a licensed commercial kitchen. Now, this includes things like cutting, marinating, or storing foods that have already been set and ready to be served. Number 2, clean and sanitize equipment. So food trucks often have limited space for washing and sanitizing the equipment on the food truck. So a commissary kitchen can actually provide the necessary facilities for cleaning and maintaining your food truck prep tools and utensils. Number 3, of course, extremely important, is dispose of wastewater. Now, some commissary kitchens may have proper facilities for disposing of wastewater that's actually generated during food preparation and cleaning, which can be a regulatory requirement. Now, also number 4 is restocking your supplies. Now, food truck operators in Alabama may also use a commissary kitchen to restock their supplies, including fresh ingredients and packaging materials. And lastly, number 5, complying with local health regulations. Using that commissary kitchen can actually help ensure that you meet health department regulations related to the food safety and sanitation on the food truck itself, even when you're not in the commissary kitchen itself. So keep in mind that, of course, regulations can vary from one jurisdiction to another. So it's essential to contact your local health department and regulatory agency to get specific information about the requirements in your city or county. They can also provide you with the most up-to-date information because from time to time, regulations actually do change and guide you through the necessary steps to start a food truck business legally and safely. So if this was a big help, let us know down below. If you've got questions about launching a food truck business, specifically in Alabama, let us know in the comments, and I'll see you on our next video.